Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how you can run large action models on your Windows PC. So let's start by getting the program that we need. The program is called Ollama, so let's just write it down. So let's just grab it. It's going to be really easy. Just grab it, click on download. It should just download it for Windows. It is in the previous stage right now, but I did use it and there was no real bugs that I realized, and it updates itself automatically from the system tray here. So I don't think it's that big of a deal if it's previous. So I already got it, so I'm just gonna open it. It's in my downloads. There you go. So just let's drag it into the desktop. It'll be easier. So okay, just double click on it. Install and wait it to do its thing, and we're gonna set it up after it's finished. Okay, it started, and as you can see, it just gave it just a notification. The install just automatically closed. So let's just close that, and you can see it's running in the tray. We are not really going to have any graphical UI with this. I'm just gonna close it here. It's not that much of a big deal that we have it in there. Now, we just downloaded the place that we're just gonna interact with the large action models. We're not actually got any large action models downloaded in our system, so we're just gonna click on this little models button here to see what we got. So we got a bunch of models here. I'm just gonna grab something that is small, so it won't take that much long to just download. So I'm just gonna grab llama tiny. There we go. So what you're going to do is just get this command, copy it, and open up your terminal or CMD. It doesn't really matter. The terminal looks better though. So and just click and wait until it pulls all the packages and all the things that it needs to actually get the large action model working. So as you can see, this is like 600 megabytes. I mean, it already shows here as well. There are other models like I do recommend Llama 3 like this if you really want to do a lot more stuff with this. It's 4.7 gigs, so it's a lot larger large action model, so it would do more stuff though. So yeah, it depends on what you're going to do with it. So let's just wait until it downloads, and after that I'm going to show you some quick commands how you can interact with it, and I guess I would wrap it up after that. Okay, it's finished now, so we can write anything we like, for example, hello or something, and it will just respond to us. And this is running in your system. It's not going to the internet and pulling anything after. I mean, the first time it did download the large action model, but after that, right now, it's just doing this all by itself in your PC. You can actually go and like open the task manager or something to see that it's actually using your CPU, which is, I guess, a little crazy to you, or I mean, it sounds crazy to me, so it might sound crazy to you as well. So I can just demonstrate by just completely cutting the internet off. So let's just cut the internet off and see. We'll just continue as it normal. Adapters, and like just disable this. As you can see, it just continues to write stuff, but I don't know what's happening right now. Let me see. I mean, I just said hello for like, what are you writing though? If you're enjoying me, wow. I mean, when it's yeah, I just got the tiny one. I guess it just doesn't really understand more basic conversation, so it just writes a lot more than I expected. But that's the side. I'm just gonna give you the commands. So right now you're just typing away here, right? This is your chat. So if you want to exit out of this or do anything, if you want to exit, you're just gonna write bye, and this will just go and give you the normal prompt. It will still continue running in this little tray. This llama application will still run, but your main large action model will stop. If you're like running multiple large action models like tiny llama and you're running another variation of that, it would be helpful for you to just close them when you don't need them, since they do use CPU and stuff, or your graphics card. But when you're going to launch it, it's just going to write tiny llama again, and we're back at the console. And if you want to see some other information about this commands that you can use, you can just write this down. And so you can just save the model, for example. So let's say I just said, I don't want to say hello again. Let's just say, what is color of red mean? Okay, why did I say that? But it's gonna go write some gibberish right now. Oh no, it's writing right. I thought this was a small model, so it's gonna go a little stupid, but no, it's actually writing stuff. Okay, so when you write this down, and you might want to continue this afterwards, but you're gonna close your computer, you're just gonna write this. So let's just go save. Now pay attention. Now just write your large action model's name, tiny llama. If you do that, it will overwrite that session, so you won't start clean. You will always have this question been asked to the large action model. You would always open it that way. If you don't want that, just like say tiny llama, or you can name anything you like. I'm just gonna call it tiny llama with let's say tiny llama red, and I just saved it. So now I got another session almost, you can say. So now I can log into that extra session if I want to. So let's say like bye, and everything's supposed to be lost, right? If I do run tiny llama, see, there's nothing happening, no dialogues showing up. But if I just say bye to this and write red in the end, as you can see, the dialogue that we just did pops back up. So you can save your conversations like that. So yeah, that's all I'm going to show you right now. You can figure out other things if you want to, but this is the basis for it. So yeah, thank you for watching.